What is going on, guys? Dippin Diesel back. We are here back working on the 1965 Dodge D500. Man, this thing is looking real good. We got the grill painted up. We got the new bed. We went ahead and stained this thing. You guys missed last video. Man, it was a good one. Go check that one out. We restored this bed and the side railings, and I think it turns out pretty freaking good. Let me know in the comments below. Go head over to that video if you guys haven't seen it already. We sprayed some of the frames, so the frame's looking black. Just got to work on the leaf springs next because they're still dirty. I need to wash them off, so I didn't spray those yet. But we sprayed the frame black with undercoating, and it looks really good, guys. But today we're gonna be doing some more small stuff, and let me tell you what, we're doing small stuff now, but we got something on the way, and it's gonna be some power mods for this engine, guys. We have an intake manifold on the way, and we also have a new carburetor on the way. So guys, it's gonna be really exciting here in the next couple of weeks when that shows up. I'm not sure when it's gonna be here because of COVID. You know, everything's all delayed. But we do have some power mods coming to this truck, man. It's gonna be so sweet. For now, we wanna keep the original engine. Later on, you know, a couple months from now, we may do a diesel swap. But for now, we're gonna try and push as much power out of this engine as possible with a new manifold and carburetor. So it should be really sweet. But like I said, we're gonna be working on some small stuff today. Just trying to get this truck looking good. I would say it starts up fine, but we're having some problems with the battery. I think the battery's a shot. But we do have some new stuff. We can only find 2 of these in red, and these are the side markers for the bed. We need 4 orange ones, which we couldn't find, so I'll have to probably order that online. So we're gonna be replacing those today. We got some new spark plugs, all 8, so we got that today. These are the blinkers that go on the side. We got some new ones. Not sure how these are gonna look. Once we get the old ones off, this is one of the old ones. If we can restore this one and bring it back to life, we may switch them back out. But for now, we are gonna run these right here. Mike's already got them all ready to go with the ground wire. And got a new antenna. We're gonna try to use the original antenna, not this black one. But we did need a new coax cable for the radio, and I think that's why the radio didn't want to work before, because there's no coax cable going to the antenna. So we got a new antenna, a new plug, and we'll try to screw on the old antenna back on there so we can keep the chrome one. But we're going to try and do that today. We got some tail lights. Hold those up, Mike. We got some new tail lights. You know, they're not the round ones that are on there, but I think these will look pretty good in that area that they go. Is there anything else we are forgetting? What else? We bought a whole bunch of stuff today, guys.
More oil.
Like, it's crazy.
Zinc additive.
We got that zinc additive that's gonna go in the oil. Got another quart because we are low a quart. Some steel wool to clean up some of the metal. We're gonna take a look at the cab lights today and see why they aren't working. Some drill bits and some more undercoating just to touch up some of the spots that we missed. And is about it, right?
Yep.
So yeah, guys, we have a lot of stuff we have to get done today. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Stay tuned towards the end to see the final result of all the progress we made today, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Alright guys, we are working on the antenna. Unfortunately, the old antenna is not going to work with this kit. So I know it's sad, but we're going to have an aftermarket antenna on there. It's going to be black. I think this is 14 inches or something. No, it's not going to go up super tall, but it should work with this radio. I think we just tested it and the radio still doesn't work, so we may have a blown speaker. So I'll see if I can look online and try to find one of those. But we're going to wire this up real quick. Really simple to do. These old, no, need that grommet, but goes in right here and then this goes under the dash right to the radio. Super simple. How do you think we should do this? Because I can't get my hands in there. I can't even, oh wait, my hand's like all the way inside the door panel. Maybe if we
coat hanger, hook it, pull it from the hole.
Do this. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Look at this.
You got it?
Freaking strategy right there. Look at that.
That works.
Well, there's the main concept of the new antenna. Leaning to the left, or leaning to the right.
Yeah.
Got Caleb here.
Got a little lean to it. It's alright. Wonder if you push it this way.
I can probably re-angle it. Yeah, look, it moves a little bit. But, you know, it doesn't gotta be straight. I wish I was able to use that original big antenna, but it won't work with this kit that we bought. You know, it's not the end of the world. It will work. Snake this under here, plug it into the radio, and the radio still doesn't work. So we'll have to look into getting a new speaker, and hopefully that's the problem. But for now, we got the new radio antenna on there.
It looks good. Kind of looks good with a lean to it.
That's how you like your trucks? With a little lean to it?
A little lean to it. It's preferably in the back.
What are we working on here? Said it's rusted, can't get it off?
Yeah.
I just gotta go through your tools, see what I can find.
All right, do the other side. Oh yeah, Mike, you're a genius.
Oh, she ain't done yet.
All right, guys, we got the back tail lights in. We're having a little trouble with this one. This one doesn't brighten up when we press on the brake. This one does. Obviously, it's just a little bit of wiring. But we got all the side markers off, the reflectors. We're gonna wait to put those on until I get new hardware because these are all just rusted and they're not gonna look good on freshly painted stuff and brand new accessories and everything like that. So we're gonna wait on that. We're just gonna wait on these until we get new fasteners and all that. But we got this all undercoated up. It's looking pretty good. Truck's coming along pretty good. We got some new lighting, new tail lights, new turn signals up here. And then I think that's all the lighting that we did so far. Yeah, like we got this one running. Turn the other one on. Oh, they're both on. So this is a 4-way. And then got the running lights up front. But another lighting thing that we have to work on are the cab lights. We're gonna take off them and see what's up with them and why they're not turning on, because they should be turned on when the headlights are on and they're not turned on. So we got to figure out what's up with those. Careful of that gasket.
Yeah, no shit.
Might just have to get brand new ones. What's it looking like? That bulb looks still good.
Can you buy a bulb?
Did I buy one?
I don't know if we
No. What's that wire to?
Your marker lights?
A freaking rat chewed it up?
Yeah.
Looks like it. So go ahead and hook that wire on there.
That one's not grounded out.
Oh.
Look at the other ones.
But yeah, look at they work. Found the problem. A rat chewed up the wire.
It's crazy.
That rat needs to get out of here. Next video, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put some mouse traps in here and try to get that rat out of here because it's chewing up wires. Can't do that. It's probably chilling behind this gas tank. That's where it popped out. It popped out literally right there on me while I was filling up. But that's pretty good. We got the marker lights to work. I'm gonna go ahead and try and use some steel wool on this and see if we can polish it up a little bit. A little rusted, but I don't know if that chrome's gonna stay there. But we'll try it, give it a try. Well, you guys saw that we had the brake lights working. We're actually gonna go ahead and replace the whole brake line wire with the brand new wiring loom because the other one was just, it was horrible. You know, where they spliced in wires, they literally just cut it with a knife and wrapped wire around it, and it was just all horrible. Like the whole thing was junk, so we took it all out and we are running all new wiring up under here. Mike's the man doing all the wiring. Look at that, he doesn't even have anything to say, he's so concentrated. But yeah, under here's pretty greasy, you know. We had like an inch of grease on the axle. We got still, you know, wasp nests on there. This definitely needs a good cleaning, as you can see. Like, really dirty under here. But this wiring should make it a lot easier for those brake lines to work. We're gonna run all new wires for the side markers and all four corners. So we shouldn't have a problem with those not working. Like we were working on before, the cab lights, they do work. We're gonna run a wire here in a little bit to reconnect them. This one just got chewed up by like a rat or something. So cab lights work. I went ahead and tried polishing one up with some steel wool. It's a little shiny, but the rust just overtakes it. So I'm thinking either painting these black or white. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should paint these. We'll strip off all the chrome and then repaint them black or white. Let me know in the comments below. We still have to install the new spark plugs and finish all this wiring up. And I think that was it today, right, Mike? Yeah. We're getting a lot done. We've been working at this, or at least on the other video, we were out here at 10:30 restaining this deck and sealing it. Came out actually pretty good. It's kind of growing on me now that I've seen it longer, but I do wish it was a little bit lighter. But I can always sand it down and restain it if I really wanted to. But yeah, we're gonna get back to work and yeah, get all this wiring all buttoned up. Take off your hand?
What?
I almost take off your hand?
Nah.
Oh yeah, boys, when she got a good battery, she starts up. And she's smoking. The carburetor just gets really flooded really easily, so whenever I go to start it and it doesn't want to start, I gotta stop pumping the gas because it's making it not want to start because it's just flooding. When I go to start it, I just have to just let it be and let it do its thing and not me flood the carburetor. But soon We're gonna have a different intake manifold on there, and you doing? Taking a Snapchat or something?
Oh yeah, dude.
But I said soon we're gonna have a new intake manifold on there and a new carburetor. It's gonna be so sick, guys. Subscribe if you guys are new. Check out these old plugs. These are all the old plugs off of this truck. We put all brand new plugs in there, auto light, all 8 of them. But we got a lot done today, guys. We got a lot more than I thought we were gonna get. We figured out why the cab lights aren't working. We situated the brake lights. We ran all new wire all the way to the front, so the brake lights work. You can see they're on right now. Flashers work. We put all new flashers in the front. We got the truck running again. We got the bed done earlier today. Go watch that video if you guys haven't already. And hey, what else did we do today? Is that it? Is that all? We spent the whole day doing lights.
Lights in the bed.
Lights in bed, yeah.
Plugs.
And plugs, yeah. So it was a really productive day. We needed to get all that done. That wiring for the brake lights was just a mess, man. Let me tell you what. Mike over here was getting pissed. But yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. Subscribe if you guys wanna see more videos on this 1965 Dodge D500. Man, the build is just getting started, and we've got some power mods coming to this truck very soon. We do have to buy a new battery. That's one thing, because we can't keep using this battery that doesn't want to hold a charge. So yeah, it's gonna be sick, guys. Appreciate everyone that's been watching the video so far, showing their love on the videos. We've got a lot of new subscribers since we started this build, and it's just going up and up. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Like this video if you guys did enjoy. I'll catch you in the next one. Dippin' Diesel out. See you later, Mike.
Take it easy, guys.